In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Adobe PDF Editor for Windows 10 for free. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser you normally use to surf the web. Once you've got that open, type Adobe Acrobat Download into the search bar and hit Enter. You should see several results pop up. You'll want to look for the official Adobe website link. This is usually one of the first results and is crucial to ensure that you're downloading from a reliable and secure source. Once you've clicked on the Adobe link, you'll be taken to their download page. Here, you'll need to scout for the option that allows you a free experience. Adobe offers a free trial that lasts for 7 days. Selecting this option is part of accessing the Adobe PDF editing tool without initially purchasing it. This trial will let you explore the features and decide whether the full version is right for you without any upfront payment. Next, Adobe will prompt you to enter some details. As part of setting up this free trial, you will need to create an Adobe account if you don't already have one. This involves entering your email address and creating a password. Also, they might ask for some billing information. Don't worry, while they do require these details to initiate the trial, you will not be charged anything as long as you remember to cancel the subscription before the trial period ends if you choose not to continue. Once you've set up your account, you might also consider downloading the Adobe Creative Cloud app. This app will make it much easier to manage Adobe products on your device. To do this, simply run another search in your browser. This time type Adobe Creative Cloud Download. After finding and clicking on the official site link, download and install the app following the on-screen instructions. The Creative Cloud app acts as a hub where you can manage your installed Adobe applications, explore other available products, and even receive updates specifically catered to your needs. There you have it. Adobe Acrobat now should be installing on your Windows 10 system, ready for you to dive into your PDF editing projects. Just make sure to keep track of your trial period to avoid charges if you decide not to continue with a paid subscription. This process gives you a fantastic opportunity to fully experience the Adobe PDF Editor at no cost initially and explore its robust editing features. Thanks for watching and enjoy your journey with Adobe Acrobat.